So here I'm at Narita International Airport in Tokyo, and pretty slick. They've got the train station right attached to it. Good thing, because the hotel I'm going to, I can take the train most of the way. It's like 44 bucks. That taxi would be 300 US. 300 bucks for a taxi. That's more than the flight from Shanghai to here. So this is an express train. I'll have to take a taxi once I get to Yokohama, which is where I'm starting off. But pretty slick. They got the train station right here, beside, right in the airport terminal. Never even had to go outside. 1619. My train right there.